Personal budget towards more personalized support and services. Service needs vary from person to person. Current social and health services work well for most people, but for you, some other option might be better. What if you could choose your own services instead of relying on the regular options? Personal budget will make this possible. With personal budget, you can design a bundle of services that works best for you. In order to check if you are qualified to receive personal budget, a service needs assessment is required. The assessment is done with a professional, but you, perhaps together with a family member, can already consider which services would benefit you the most. Your personalized plan is made together with your designated social worker. They will calculate a budget for acquiring the services you need and also advise you on using the budget. Subsequently, you and your social worker will assess the success of the plan together. Is personal budget the right option for you? There are as many life circumstances as there are people, and you know your situation best. Personal budget enables you, alone or with a family member, to actively participate in finding the services that match your needs. Personal budget will grant you greater freedom of choice and helps you move towards a better quality of life. Contact your social and health services for more information.